Let's watch a video together. This video will help you make $2,800 to way up to $44,000 a month.
A boy was chased by the police. He ran very quickly into their house. His older brother saw him, his shirt and hands stained with blood. He was shocked. His brother was shaking in fear and could not speak. The older brother looked down from the window and sees a fleet of police cars, their sirens blowing. "We're giving you 5 minutes to surrender," said the voice. He told his younger brother, "Give me your shirt. I need to wash off the bloodstains." A few minutes later, the younger brother heard their back door slam. He looked and saw his older brother walking towards the police, wearing his shirt with hands in the air. He screamed with tears, "What are you doing? No, brother, no!" They took him away. Days passed. It was his trial. His younger brother sat in the courtroom, tear-filled eyes, watching his older brother being sentenced for life for the crime he knew nothing about. He couldn't hold himself. He ran to the judge and screamed, "It was me! Please leave my brother! He's innocent!" Tears in his eyes. Then suddenly, the police rushed in and showed a CCTV footage proving the boy's innocence. The real culprit had been caught. "Why did you do that?" he asked his older brother. He replied, "I'm your big brother. I'll get..."
Well, that was a happy ending. It was emotional. Well, the story was emotional, but with a happy ending. Let's go one by one. This video got 13 million views. 13 million views in just 10 months. And I know my viewers don't care about views. They don't care about YouTube videos. They want to buy Lamborghini yesterday. They are the next generation of Andrew Tate. What color is your Bugatti? I'll come back to Andrew Tate and Bugatti in a moment, but before that, this channel on YouTube also has 1.44 million subscribers. I have only 6,000, and I'm teaching you how to make money every day. And you are not subscribing to my channel. Why are you not subscribing to my channel? Go subscribe to my channel, Habibi. It's important. Okay, come back to money. If you look at this video, step number 1, this video was only 1 minute long. A 1 minute long video had your attention. The question is, how did they build it? Ho, Mosh, wait. I am not making any video until you show me the money. Guys, what do I have to show you? Just go to Social Blade, put this channel link in this box, and it will show you how much money they're making using AI videos. Completely using AI that I would show you how to make in a moment. They are making $2,800 to way up to $44,000, somewhere in between, per month. And an annual estimated earning is $71,000 to $1.1 million a month. And in case you have no idea how to make money like this from YouTube, I will show you at the end of the video. So let's learn how to do it first. I'm gonna put it on mute and let's watch now. You see, this is a still image. All these images are still images with a little bit of transition, a little shakiness, a little zoom in, zoom out, a little shaky. That's all. Do you see, is there anything else? Zoom in, zoom out, and a little shake. Zoom in, zoom out, and a little shaky. Nothing else. Absolutely nothing else. What do you need to make this kind of transitions? Literally any software, any free software. For example, our Habibi CapCut. Absolutely free, at least for this kind of baby transitions. Go to YouTube, search with CapCut, click Shorts, choose only the short videos. Just by watching and trying these 1 minute long videos, you will learn so much that even many professional editors don't know. In fact, for this kind of viral video, all you need is how to zoom in and zoom out, and sometimes add a little shake to create the environment. That's it. We know money is a byproduct of giving first. And that's why we make these videos every single day. And we make them as valuable as possible so you get inspired and inshallah you get results. If one person get results, one person get inspired, we will consider ourselves, our effort as successful. But we cannot do it without your help. We need you to engage in this video, like this video, ask questions in the comments, share with your friends and family, and important, subscribe to our channel. If you engage, then YouTube will consider our content as important content, and they will share with more and more people, and inshallah more and more people will get the benefit. And if that happens, you will also be the part of the blessings. So go ahead, like, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe as well. We have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 30 days, and we cannot do it without your help. I'll give you a second to take action. Done? Let's go. Now, the images. Each of the scenes contain still images, and all of these images are made with AI. Honestly, nowadays, just with ChatGPT, you can make these kind of images. Let me show you. Let's take this screenshot. We can do one more step just to learn how to prompt. I'm going to copy the image and paste it on Claude because Claude is the best of the best for writing prompt. I will say, analyze this image and write a detailed prompt so I can recreate this image using AI over and over again. Done. Claude will write an image prompt for me. Amazing. Now I'm gonna copy this. I can go to any AI image creation software, including ChatGPT. And I'm going to remove the first part and only keep the prompt part. I also want to add, all right, there has been a mistake. Wow. Did you notice when it happened? I did not notice. Look, it says create an email template. So I went to my original instruction and I saw that Claude did not transcribe my dictation properly. So the original instruction was recreate this email. It shouldn't be email, it should be image. So this prompt became an email prompt. So I corrected the instruction and I got a corrected prompt. So now I'm going to copy this prompt here and replace this prompt and go. ChatGPT is creating image. You don't need extra paid AI applications like some people use Leonardo, some people use some other stuff. You don't need them. Isn't this great? Superb. You want to play with it, increase the brightness or anything, you can do it. Just ask and AI will do it. You can say, increase the brightness of the image and it will be done. So nowadays, in a lot of cases, you don't even need Photoshop or image editor to edit your images. And it is done. Think about it. Which world do we live in? Now, do you think you can recreate this whole video without copying them? I mean, without copyright infringement? Hell yeah. Okay, you might be saying, Mosh, I don't know how to write this kind of engaging story. Copy this transcript, Habibi. Ask Claude, I want you to write a similar story as above with similar emotion and similar number of words, but you cannot copy it word for word, and there should not be any copyright infringement whatsoever. And hit enter. It's AI. It will write 10 times if you want. And it's just one instruction and ask AI to do it. What is stopping you? This is good. This is some kind of a story. I don't want to read it. I just want to say, I want to turn this story into a video. And for that, I need AI images for every scene. I want to change images in every 7 to 9 words. Can you write detailed prompt for all the images and tell me from which word to which word I should show each image? All the images should be hyper-realistic and the image ratio should be 9:16. Answer in a table with serial number, image prompt, and starting word and ending word of each image in columns. Now look at the magic, Habibi. Claude is writing a table. In the table, we have serial numbers, we have prompts, starting phrase, and ending phrase. Total 24 images. Your story is ready. Let's just make one of those images. Control C, go to ChatGPT, and Control V. Now I feel like Claude was a bit lazy in writing these prompts. You see, they're very small. Okay, before judging, I want to try. Okay, even with this tiny prompt, the image is not bad at all. I have no complaint. Okay, so where is the money? According to Social Blade, this AI video channel earns somewhere from $2,800 to $44,000 per month, or $71,000 to $1.1 million a year. Say what? Please tell me this is not crazy. I mean, who can't just play with this AI, rewrite stories, write image prompts, get instruction where to start, where to end, make those images in another AI and put them together with free CapCut, and boom, money on a silver platter. Oh my God, Mosh, I'm so busy. I don't have time to learn how to make money. Go and ask AI, use Perplexity and ask these simple questions. How much platforms pay for video views? Answer in a table. It will give you all the answers. And then ask, what are the steps from scratch to making money from views on videos from YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok? It will give you the steps. Follow the steps, Habibi. These guys took action and they're making money. But I hear you. You have 9 to 5. I get it. You start your morning with 100% energy, but you have to invest that energy into commuting to your day job. And then you spend some energy at your day job. Then you spend some energy with your family when you get back home. And there is that procrastination devil that stops you from taking action. So even if you have 2 to 3 hours per day free time, In the evening, when you try some side hustle, you have no energy left. So I will tell you what you need. You need a 99% done for you system, where we will do 99% of the work, and your job is to first watch this video training and understand how we do digital marketing using AI. This training is 100% free to watch. You can watch from the link in the description. And at the end of the training, you will learn about our business model, how we run the business, and how we help busy folks just like yourself earn these kind of commissions. These commissions are not bad. These are commissions for each sale. A $500 commission, $300 commission, another $500 commission, $947 commission, $4,590 commission, $800 commission, $900 commission. It starts from a free training video, and the link is in the description. Go watch it. And after watching, if you have any question, feel free to ask our AI chat agent. It will answer all your questions. And if you want to chat with me one-on-one on Instagram, simply DM me on Instagram or send me a message on Facebook. I will be more than happy to answer all your questions. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.